the 8th grade history team for Empowered Learning because of their grand idea to have Mario Kart as a STAAR review.
Katie Brown and another team member of ours, Mary Stock, went to a professional development and discovered this Mario Kart review. And it was just kind of a way to get the kids more involved, get them a little, moving around a little bit.
So what they would do is they would come into class, they would be gathered in their groups, they would have their names, each group got to choose their own team name, and so we would start out with the first puzzle, first game, and so they would go, right? And so the first group that would have it done first, we would go and check, and then they'd be able to automatically move on to the next round.
We spent time going over each unit and applying that information with different activities and getting them up and moving around and talking to each other to bring all that information back that they learned all year.
There was a lot of speed involved, but really also a lot of teamwork.
They were a lot more engaged, a lot more hands-on. They said they felt a lot more confident going into the test.
I think the part that was most useful is that compared to like a normal review packet where you might not want to do it, for when you have a game, you're kind of, you want to lock in and learn the facts and prepare because now it's a competition.
When I found out about that it was going to be a competition and with different teams, I was also excited and nervous based on who was going to be on my team, but also excited that I get to work and collaborate with other people.
One of the biggest benefits of the 3 days of competition that we did was it took a lot of the stress off of the kids. When you start talking about STAAR, kids get stressed out about, oh, this test is coming up and I don't know how I'm going to do and all this. There's so much information in history that they have to know and cover. And this 3 days of competition right before the test, it was so much fun for them. It was so competitive.
And it really has helped the students solidify their learning and just understand the whole concept.
Because the kids were so excited to compete, they actually would study their materials to get ready for the review game. So I mean, they're studying for the study. I mean, it's amazing to see that they would go beyond and above that just to get ready for the games to play. So you can just see layers on layers of them wanting to prepare.
All of 8th grade in general was competing against each other, and so it was great to walk around the hallways and hear kids talking about the competition, or go into the cafeteria and hear kids talk about the competition, but also talking about the content as well.
They love anytime we show up in a costume and make a fool of ourselves. So we're happy to see we're not doing a packet, we're not just talking about everything, instead we're doing, and I mean there were points where bananas were being thrown at them or tortoise shells and they'd have to pause on the game, they'd try and hide, and so they were engaged with the entire concept all 3 days that we did it. It wasn't like dreading, we got to get ready for STAAR. Instead it was, oh, do we get to do Mario again today?
The teachers and staff throwing bananas at me was my favorite part.
I could see us doing this again more because it helped me study better.
I just want to say thank you to Katie, Mary, Doug, Keith, Cody, and Payton for coming up with an exciting way to empower our learners here at Curtis with their STAAR review. You guys knocked it out of the park.